All right, guys, it's time. We're just gonna get right into it. Beard's done, mustache is done. We're moving on. It's time. I've grown it out enough. I've had enough of it, and don't be disappointed. But it's just we've got to do some new stuff in life, and we're just gonna do a haircut, a beard cut. We're gonna do some fun stuff. So we're just gonna get right into it. Let's go. It's one thing I hate about trimming, man. It gets everywhere. I don't know why, man, but when the clippers hit you in the eye. So here's a scoop. All right, I've done the beard growth thing. This will be my fourth time now. and I feel like I'm doing the same thing over and over and over again. And I love talking about the topics. Listen, there's always going to be beard content that I'm going to be providing you. Don't stress. Don't worry about that. But when it comes to the long beard, it's like, it's just too much. It's too much for me right now. So I had to give it a trim. I had to shave it up. It's just, like I said, I've done it for, it's going to be 5 years now. Need to take a break. So don't be discouraged, you guys. Don't let me, because I cut my beard, make you cut your beard. It's just at this point right now, with everything in life, this is just where it's at. I like keeping it nice and short. Yeah, so like I said, don't be discouraged, but I do want to motivate you guys when it comes to trimming and cutting your own hair. Do it yourself. It's just, it's so satisfying. It gives yourself a, it gives you guys a bit of an accomplishment, not having to go out and having someone to do it yourself. So I just wanted to let you guys know, this is a quick video, I know, but man, at the end of the day, man, it's been a long time. It's been a great journey. I love doing this. I'm not going to stop creating content. That's not what this is. I've done too many of those videos, but it's just more about the fact of, man, I need to keep the beard trimmed, hair trimmed. It just looks a lot better, especially with my profession. I love having the long beard once again, but I'm here in Houston. I train a lot. It just, at the end of the day, man, nice, short, simple, and sweet is the way to go. So with that, you guys, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.